Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Prahok Ktiss. You'll need tamarind powder, chopped garlic, oil, sugar, fish sauce, chicken bouillon, garlic cloves, red curry paste, massaman curry paste, kefir lime leaves, coconut milk, and ground pork. These are the brand that I use. Make sure to thinly slice the lime leaves. Place your frying pan on medium-high heat. Pour the oil in, chop garlic, and fry it until the garlic is brown. Add curry paste. If you have prahok, you could put prahok, but I put fish sauce because I don't have prahok. Add garlic cloves, sugars, tamarind powder, chicken bouillon, fish sauce. Add the ground pork or ground turkey. Mix well. Add coconut milk. Stir until everything is incorporated. And lastly, kefir lime leaves. This dip goes well with kale, broccoli, cucumber, eggplant, and long beans. Serve with rice. Enjoy. Have a blessed day.